Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about Instagram bio tricks. I'm gonna teach you how to create a fancy Instagram bio font, and let's dive into it right now. First, you wanna open your Instagram. Go to your profile, and then edit profile. Select the part you wanna change and copy it. And then go to open this website, igfonts.io, and paste what you just copied. Wow, sometimes it doesn't work, but considering it's free, let's forgive it. And let's type into it. And then you can see there are a lot of fancy style coming out. Just choose the one you're into and then copy it. And then you want to go back to your Instagram and paste the font you just copied. There you go, you got it. I attached this website in the description box for your convenience. Check it out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.